Hi there guys, this is my first video ever. I'm gonna be fishing right here with this fishing rod. There's a bike right here. I attached a little thing to the side of the bike, and I'm gonna be fishing in this pond right here. Alright, let's go ahead and get our first cast in that bait caster. Yes! Nothing. I'm learning how to use this thing. Hopefully it'll work out good. Oh no, I wonder how many bass are in here. Gotta be a good 10-pounder in here. Oh, I got a bite. Gotta throw this back in there. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, I got one. Oh, I broke off. Man. Oh shit, I'm getting bites. Oh. I got a bite. Oh my gosh, I gotta catch something on this catch right here. This pond's not too overfished, so we should be able to catch something. Oh. Ah. I tried to hook set it too soon. Okay, last cast, and then we're gonna move on to the side of the road. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the side of the road right here. Maybe we should try this little pond right here. Nothing in there. Alright guys, let's try to go fish over here on the side of the road. Sorry for the camera stability. This is pretty bad. There should be some water over here. I'm not too sure though. Oh, unfortunately there's no water right now. Dang. We could have caught some big bass right there. Maybe we should go look for a little pond somewhere else. Alright, let's just go try that other spot. Alright. We're gonna go back to this spot to keep trying to catch something. Alright. Let's try to catch something in this big old pond. There has to be something right here. Right there. Right now I'm using this reel combo. It does not match at all, but hey. Right there. Oh shoot. Oh, it was just oh, I got another bite. Why is it so hard to catch fish here? Right there, that should be a catch. Oh. I'm actually getting some pretty good bites. Oh shit, right there. Right there, please. Oh, I got it. Oh, man, why do these fish keep breaking off? Maybe I gotta cast it out further and swing it back here. Alright. One last cast, and then we'll go. I'm stuck on something. Oh. I guess we couldn't catch nothing today. I guess we'll try another cast all the way from out far. Alright. Oh, I got something! Oh, it fell off over there. This is the type of setup I'm using right now. I'm using this little worm right here. This yum worm. It loves catching fish. I catch so many fish on this. Dang it got messed up. Let's go ahead and fix it. Oh my gosh. What the hell happened to this sussy shit, bro? I can't cuss. I'm gonna get demonetized. I'm gonna just leave it like that. Just try to catch something on this right here. Alright, let's go ahead and toss it. Last one. This one's for all the marbles, guys. Fuck! I'm surprised I haven't gotten any backlash yet. Sorry for all that noise. I don't know what that could be. This is a pretty hidden pond. Oh, I just got a bite. Oh. Why is it not catching anything? This thing sucks. This pond is trash. This might be the worst pond I've ever tried. Alright guys, I think we're gonna have to head back to the bike because we're not catching anything right here. You guys see that fish right there? Following the worm? Oh, he doesn't want to bite. I don't know why they don't want to bite today. Let's go back to the bike. Let's head back to the bike. There's some water right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna just put this thing back on this. Let's go set it in here. Look at this DIY thing I made right there. This is the bike I got right now. Pretty goofy looking bike. Look at this sus-ass color, bro. Sus. I'm trying to save up for a kayak right now so I can go fishing. Let's go ahead and get on the bike and let's go. Let's go down the trail. Oh shit. Let's go down the trail, guys. So sussy. Oh my gosh, it's so fucking cold. Alright guys, here's the trail. Oh my gosh, it's literally thunderstorming over here.